Rahat. I love rooms with big clocks, don't you? I constantly feel the need to check if I'm running late. Today, I'm going to show you a wall clock that is not just beautiful but also super convenient. This stylish and glossy wall clock would look great in your living room or bedroom. Just hang it on a hook and there you go. Don't worry about getting it dirty. You can easily clean it with a damp cloth. The design goes well with both a contemporary as well as a traditional setup. You can put it up in an office, your homes or any other place. It's super easy to read. You don't have any excuse to be late now.